Hello friends. How are you? This time, our drone will take you along a place that is currently viral on social media, namely Jalan Clongop. This road has suddenly become the focus of many people's attention, and you must be wondering, what makes this road so special? The new Clongop Road connecting Gantiwarno District, Clayton, Central Java, and Gadangsari District, Gunungkidul, special region of Yogyakarta, has been completed and is passable. This road is now not only an important access, but has also become a favorite tourist spot for travelers. The new Clongop Road is an attraction because of its extraordinary beauty. Built with a modern design, this road connects several villages in the Gunungkidul area. But what makes it special, friend, is the natural panorama that surrounds it. From the air, you can see how beautiful this path is as it divides green hills and wide fields.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. So honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Many visitors deliberately come here not only to pass this road, but also to hunt for cool photos. With a beautiful natural backdrop, Road New Clongop is the perfect place to capture moments.
I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth.
Apart from being a popular photo spot, Jalan Baru Clongop is also starting to become known as a favorite location for cyclists and lovers of leisurely walks. The cool and calm atmosphere makes traveling here very enjoyable.
Time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
What's interesting, friend, is that the local government is also starting to look at the tourism potential of Jalan Baru Clongop. Facilities such as parking lots and rest areas are slowly being prepared to support visitor comfort. So, this place will be even cooler in the future. So, for those of you who want to enjoy the atmosphere of Gunungkidul from a different perspective, Jalan Baru Clongop is the right choice. Don't forget to bring your camera, because every corner is so photogenic. That's it for now on our journey this time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other drone view videos. See you on the next exploration.